If you want to place your Starline Immobiliser into service mode and you don't have your phone on you, this is how you do it. So turn the ignition on, disarm it with the buttons obviously because your phone's not here. Now we'll press one of the buttons 11 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We'll cycle the ignition off and back on. We received 2 bleeps and now it's in service mode. So without the phone or the code, the vehicle's going to start up. You can take it back to Mercedes in this case, or wherever you're getting it serviced. Don't have to worry about leaving them with a phone or telling them the code. When you get it back, the way you turn it back on, make sure it's secure, turn the ignition back on, pop your code in and receive 2 bleeps. We've got our 2 bleeps, we'll turn the ignition off, and just to make sure, we'll give it 10 seconds to set and then we'll try and attack the vehicle with no code and no phone. So now we're going to start it up. After 10 seconds or so, vehicle starts up and switches off when we put it in gear.